Hello there and a very good evening to you. Well, our weather has been fairly cloudy right the way through today and damp as well. And really that's what we can expect for much of the time as we go through the coming days. Fairly mixed, unsettled weather in store for the rest of the week with spells of rain at times, some brighter interludes at times as well, but overall quite mixed and unsettled. Now if we take a look at the satellite sequence through today, you can see that cloud pushing up there from the southwest, outbreaks of rain in many places and cloudy damp conditions in general. More of the same as we go through tonight and tomorrow. Some rain pushing up over us overnight and in the morning, making for a fairly wet or damp start. Some drier weather later on, but then another area of low pressure feeding up some further spells of rain through tomorrow night. For a time on Thursday, that rain will clear and we'll see brighter weather following, but that will be fairly short-lived because then this next band of rain is going to move in over us on Friday. And once that clears, we can expect bright conditions for a time on Saturday before more rain arrives. Here's the situation at present. You can see outbreaks of rain there across parts of the country, misty, damp conditions elsewhere. More of the same as we go through tonight. A cloudy, misty, damp night in store with rain in places and more persistent rain pushing in from the south and east as we head towards morning. Temperatures will drop between about 10 and 12 degrees, and then for tomorrow fairly murky through the morning in many parts of the country. As we go through the late morning, afternoon, that patchy rain and drizzle will tend to push more to the northwest, which means that for Ulster it will be a fairly dull, damp start with outbreaks of rain, becoming that little bit drier during the afternoon, but still staying cloudy and misty. Very similar for Leinster, a cloudy, damp start as well. But by the time we reach the afternoon, drier conditions, perhaps one or two bright spells, but mostly cloudy and damp. And then Munster very similar as well. Rain clearing to the northwest early on, cloudy damp conditions following then for the rest of the day, and a very similar picture for Connacht too. Wet through the morning and perhaps drier in the afternoon, but still staying mostly cloudy overall. But with these cloudier conditions, it will stay quite mild with temperatures between about 14 and 16 degrees. A cooler day on Thursday, but we will see some brighter weather gradually following from the west, but then we will see further spells of rain on Friday and over the weekend. So overall, a fairly mixed, unsettled picture in store. And that's the forecast. Good night.